In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a vLoc3 RTK-Pro to Diamond Maps. The vLoc3 RTK-Pro can be used with Diamond Maps as a locator for recording detailed depth points with RTK GNSS accuracy. If you don't already have a Diamond Maps account, you can create one by starting a free trial at diamondmaps.com. To interface with the locator, you'll need to install the Diamond Maps offline app from either the Apple or the Google Play Store. And you'll first need to use the online version of Diamond Maps to create any layers that you'll be working with. Then in the offline app, you can download that map. Once you've downloaded your map, you can connect the vLoc3 RTK-Pro. To do this, you'll go to Menu, then choose Locator Setup. Click Select to choose a device. If you're on Android, you may need to pair with the device before it'll show up in this list. But once the device list shows up, you'll scroll and find the device shown as vLoc3 RTK-Pro and click on it. You'll know you're connected to the device because a Bluetooth symbol will show up on the locator, as well as there's a gray status bar in Diamond Maps where you can confirm the connection's live by pressing the log button on the locator to see information sent from the locator while this screen is open. There's also a green status bar at the bottom of the screen that'll confirm that you're connected even when you close this locator setup form. But now that we're connected, let's use the GPS trace tool in Diamond Maps to mark an underground line. You go to Draw, then GPS Trace, and we'll need to select a points layer and a lines layer. For points, I'll choose Locate Points. And for our lines layer, I'll choose Locate Lines. Now to mark our first point in this trace, you'll click the log button on the locator and then the plus to confirm your choice. Once you've done that, a form in Diamond Maps will pop up and you can enter any information you want to about that point. I'm going to enter electric line as the description. And then I'm going to click this lock button for the description. This will ensure that electric line is given as the description for every point in this trace. Now I'm going to walk a little bit further to mark another point. Again, you'll just click the log button on the locator. You'll notice this time the electric line was automatically filled in. And now you'll also see that there's data provided from the locator. Things like locator depth and depth units and all the data that you see there. Now clicking the add button on this form is optional. Every time you press the log button on the locator, it'll save the previous point's information, so you don't need to do anything but click the button on the locator itself. Let's do that one more time. I'll walk a little bit further. Mark another point. Once you've collected all the points you want to in this trace, you can click the Done button and it'll connect all of the points with a line.